In this video, we will see how to fix Windows cannot start this hardware device code 19 error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then first and initial workaround should be restart your system. Sometimes a simple reboot your system can resolve various major and minor issues of your Windows system. So you must restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. You may press Windows key plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box. And here type msdt.exe id device diagnostic. This command will open hardware and device troubleshoot in your system. So execute this command through run dialog box and click on OK. Hardware and devices troubleshoot page will open. And here click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically. And click on next. And let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will take some time. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process, hardware and devices troubleshooting in your system. And after that, check whether your error code 19 error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again right click on start button and choose device manager. Open device manager windows and here go to your problematic device driver having yellow color exclamation mark. It means this particular device driver having error. So if you find any yellow color exclamation mark against device driver, simply right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Click on search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all the problematic device driver on your system. And after that, close the Windows device manager windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, again go to device manager, right click on start button and choose device manager again. And here from the left side, go to disk driver, expand it and update your driver. Apply this process for all the problematic driver of your system. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button, choose run and here type rstrui to open system restore window. System restore window will now open. Here restore system files and settings. Click on next. System restore can help to fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly. Click on next and finally choose a restoration point from which before your computer is in good condition and click on next and finally confirm your restoration point. Click on finish and follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, reset your PC. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings and from the right side, look for the option recovery. Click on recovery and here scroll down and you will find the option reset this PC. Click on reset PC. A blue box will open. Here choose keep my files and click on next and follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting process. After that, your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.